Hi guys, it's Mathemagics with Miss T.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about discount. Now what is a discount? We all love a great deal, don't we? Yes, we do. Now, there are many reasons that a store would be offered discount. Sometimes an item is not being sold as much as they would like it to be sold, so they offer a discount to get the item off. Or, for example, if the item is out of the packaging and they want somebody to buy the item, they would give you a discount and things like that, right? So when you hear discount, it's basically they're taking off some of the cost. It's a percentage that is removed from the total cost, okay? So let's work on an example. The price of a motorcycle is $1,500. How much do you need to pay if there is a 10% discount? Now let's write down all we know about the problem. We know that the cost is $1,500, right? And we know that there's also a discount of 10%. Oops, sorry. We know that there's a discount of 10%. So we want to know how much this item would cost when this 10% is removed from the total cost of this item. So what we need to do, we need to find what is 10%. All right? So 10% is the same as 10 over 100. Remember? Percent just means that it's out of 100. So 10% of 1,500. All right? So we have 2 zeros here and we have 2 zeros here. So what we need to do, we just cancel off both and cancel both the zeros. And we're left now with 10 times 15. All right? Now we can go through all the steps to multiply 10 times 15, or we can use the shortcut whereby if you are multiplying a number by 10, 10 has 1 0, so you add a 0 to the end. For example, we're multiplying 15 times 10. 10 has 1 0, so we're going to add that 0 here. And we end up with $150. Okay? If we were multiplying by 100, we would take 2 zeros and add it here. Okay? But in this case, we're going to use 1 0 since it's only 15 times 10. Okay. So we know that 10% discount is $150 less. So now we need to subtract this $150 from the 1,500 or 1,500 for us to know how much we need to pay in all for this motorbike, right? So 1,500 minus 150. We'll bring down the 0. We need to borrow from here because 0 can't take away 5, right? 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. And we bring down the 1. So the total that we're going to pay is $1,350. That's a good save, right? Would you prefer paying $1,500, or you would rather the discount and you only pay $1,350? I thought so, right? Let's look at another example. All right. The problem says the price of a t-shirt is $50. If you buy 4 shirts, you will get 10% discount. How much will you pay for 8 shirts? So what we're going to do, we're going to look at what we have, or what we know, and what we want to know. So we already know one t-shirt is for $50. We also know that if we buy 4 t-shirts, we're going to get a 10% discount. So they want to know how much you're going to pay for 8 shirts. All right? So one shirt is $50. So we want 4 shirts. So we need to multiply $50 times 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 5, 20. So 4 shirts will cost us $200 without the discount. But they're giving us a 10% discount. So we need to find what is 10% of 200, right? We have 2 zeros here and 2 here. So we're going to cancel that off. And we're left with 10 times 2, which would give us $20. So if you buy 4 shirts, you save $20. So now we need to subtract this $20 from this 200 down here to find out how much for 4 shirts. 0 minus 0. We need to borrow because 0 can't take away 2. We're left with 1 here. We'll put the 1 here. 10 minus 2, 8. Bring down the 1. So for 4 shirts, we would pay $180, right? But the problem is asking us how much for 8 shirts, right? And how many 4s can go into 8? 2, right? 4 can go into 8 2 times. So we're going to multiply this times 2, because this is the 180 is for 4 shirts and we want 8. So we're going to multiply it by 2, because 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 1, 2. And 1 is 3. So for 8 shirts, we're going to pay $360. Right? Now always remember, when you're finished finding the discount, how much the discount percent is, you need to remember to subtract it from your total cost to find out what you will end up paying. Alright? I hope this video is helpful to you. Watch it carefully and follow.
Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe down below. That way you will not miss another video. See you in the next video.